Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nothing Phone 1 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Settings. In it, Password Manager, and there we can manage password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Netflix account. Click there, but to do that we must have our look screen. If you don't have, you must create it as I. And after that we can go back and enter our look screen to get connected to our password. There we can copy our email and passwords after we press this first icon, or when we choose this ice icon, your smartphone show you password which remember. If you tap on this icon, you can share password to someone, or to edit all, press edit and we can edit something. But remember, when you change something, press save to save it. And the last function is delete our password by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.